if somebody in the desert find a phone in the somewhere on the desert and
Yeah, watch.
they don't know about technology, so they would
You'd
give a
assume somebody
reason
made
telling
it.
them,
Hmm.
yeah.
Yeah, teleological
So
argument.
wouldn't
Yeah,
that be reasonable for that person?
yeah. For a watch, it would be, or for a phone, it would be. Yeah, to think that it is made by
Yeah.
somebody.
So like, are you like more complicated than design of a phone, or the phone is more complicated than you as a
I'm
designer?
definitely more complicated than the design of the phone. Yeah, that is true.
So it's like it's very simple reasoning. Like
Hmm.
a simple product, and
Hmm.
you immediately go to conclusion that there is a factory, even though you don't know it, never visited it, you never had access to it, but you come to
Hmm.
that conclusion. Wouldn't it be reasonable, like if you are more complicated and you have a way more complicated and like knowledgeable and powerful designer because you are like more
Yeah.
complicated
Okay.
than our products?
True. Now imagine this. We are complicated, more complicated than our products. So our creator would be more complicated than us, and then he, who is even much more complicated, would need to have another creator who would be much more complicated than him, and the cycle would go on. Following this reason, what you just gave.
No, but like if it has to be a starting point, you cannot. If your reasoning, it's like you cannot go infinite circle. Like it
Well,
has to
I'm
be a
not
starting
telling
point.
you to go into
Like you,
circles, but if there is a starting point, why does it have to be God and not the universe itself? So if we are putting an argument that since the universe is very, very complex, it has to have a creator. The creator itself is very, very complex, and it too would need to have a creator then, with that same logic.
so how you get information about that creator if it's not from him?
Well, we do not believe in a creator, as I said.